All right, we're at the bird sanctuary. Check these guys out. They're not on a leash or nothing. They're just sitting there. The birds will bite. It says, do not touch or feed. They will bite.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
How do they just sit there? They're not chained up or nothing.
They like it here.
We're here at Parrot Mountain, a bird sanctuary, and it is up on a mountain. What, the birds?
Yeah.
I don't smell them.
Hello.
Do not touch, so we just got to act like we're going to touch.
Hello.
We just act like we're touching.
I know what kind of damage you can do. I've got all the scars over my arm here. See there?
We have one of these at the house. How old is Ollie, Mom?
36.
Mom's bird like this is 36. I was wondering what was on your hand. I was like, do you have a tattoo on your hand?
Yeah.
I was like, I never
I
knew.
just got one, Parrot Mountain.
I never knew that.
Oh.
This one's pink a little bit. This one's huge.
Da, 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 da. What you doing? What? What you doing?
Hey, buddy.
I love you. Hey,
I mean, you're friendly, or you're gonna bite me?
I love you.
Lord, look at that.
I love you.
His head is bigger than my hand. You're gonna get kicked out. Oh.
Something back here.
All right, we've only advanced about 25 feet in the exhibit.
Hello.
We can go this way or straight. I'm going this way. Toucan. Hey, buddy. Oh! Oh! He's like, I hate my life. I fucking hate it here. We're up on a mountain. Another toucan. Toco toucan. And this guy's humongous. He only looks at me when I walk away. I had to see what that screen was about. What is it, buddy? Kill Bill Toucan. Hey, buddy. Man, I love this new phone. Cuckoo Burrow. I don't know if I'm saying that right. What are you doing? Oh, he just took a shit. Do you know if a bear shits in the woods as well? What about you, dog?
Hey, buddy. You want me to get you? What is it?
Hand.
He don't like the phone. Oh. Please get me.
He's like, you fool. It's like, I'm not getting off her.
Is it mad at me?
No.
No. It just
It wants.
It doesn't
want
wanna get off.
It doesn't want him to get her.
It'll go back up there. It's going.
straighten your hand
Watch
out
her-
a little bit so she can walk straight up
It'll
there.
go back up there. Come on.
You want to go back up?
Come on. Come on.
Go back up there,
Go on.
buddy.
Go back up there. Go. Go on.
Go
Just keep
on.
your arm just right
Yeah,
there.
make your
Make your hand right and get it up there.
In a fist.
Come on.
There you go.
There. Oh, I thought he was mad at me.
No, he wasn't mad. Something wrong with this leg.
Yeah, something's wrong with his leg. His leg's messed up.
Cool thing.
His one toe looks like it was broke over. Because he's not able to grab with it.
They've rescued this bird for that reason. I bet you it says something on there.
Yeah, look at his leg. Come on.
He's like, I can't, man. I only got one leg.
He's like, you try hopping around.
He's like,
shit with the bum leg.
come on, man. You got a bum leg?
I got bum knee.
Come on.
These birds are going crazy. Weird looking little bird, ain't you? Yeah. Just some demon looking birds. They don't have a thing, man. Someone knocked it off. What are you doing? This guy's going crazy in there. What's the deal, man? You got a Red Bull in there? Sugar-free is what I prefer. Check out these crows. These things are demonic looking. Oh my God. He just doesn't give a damn that I'm here. Or do you? What's up, man? Trying to square up? You watch UFC? Oh. What are you doing, buddy? Come on, put your finger back over here. Put your beak in there. He's pretty big. He's probably about 16, 18 inches long. Wonder what you taste like. Oh, okay. Ooh. Oh. What's the deal, dude? What's the deal, dude? Oh,
Hey.
got you.
Oh, yeah, you're the lovable one.
Oh, he's like, I'm just gonna.
What about you, boy?
Hey.
He's friendly.
Without a tail over there, Mike?
Oh, yeah. Hey, here.
God, look at that. He could take your finger off.
Oh, yeah, I'll take your arm off. Here, I'll put your head.
I'd say he's probably about, you think about 30 inches? He's not 3 feet, I don't
You ain't
think.
got no food.
You will lose your finger.
Praise the Lord. I'm not really sure exactly what this is. I'm not religious. Is this Jesus? This little area is beautiful right here. Figured I'd get another little video before I leave. Look at all that. That's beautiful. All right, we're running out of time. A quick flex in the bathroom. I gotta show you my drip.
Wonder what these are.
Wonder if we can touch them.
Come on, get up here. Come on. Come on.
There we go. The Birdman.
They told me I could do a job at Parrot Mountain.
Come on, you're not allowed up there. Come on. Nope, nope.
I want to make out one of you too short.
Let go. Oh, didn't want me.
What do you think of that?
Oh,
Now she's on my phone. Get you some of that. There you go. Yeah, let me get some of that here. This ain't our first dealings with this. They're like, oh man, it's pretty cold. Woo. But man, that's good though. Man, let me get some of that. Like I got this thing in my way. He's like, it's cold. Another beautiful area. Little chipmunk.
Biting my shirt.
I know, she would destroy you.
Pretty. Anyway, bring your buddy in trouble. Let me get some of that. What do you want from that?
One. Come on. Here, love it. Right here.
Yeah. Water?
Hey, buddy, what are you doing? Oh, he's super friendly. What? Are you itching? You don't want him? Nope. Beautiful little bird. You don't want me to touch you? Let me touch you. Oh, you don't like it. The bird man.
Come on, Sybil. Come on, Sybil. I'm sorry, baby.
Oh, they're fighting each other.
We got them.
Here's a little bit more.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
They emptied that, like,
Yeah. Oh, it's all over your shirt. That's why.
one spilled it.
Oh.
It is.
It's like
What
McDonald's
is that? anyway?
lemonade.
Is that like cookie?
Yes, at night we give them apples and
Oh, it's about empty, yeah. Pretty good, guys. This is so cool.
Yeah. Oh, my head, isn't it?
Making a little mess.
Rock and roll.